Kamrul, I have been very keen on asking you this question. No? Um, uh, so, how do you reconcile the regular ASA program, no, that is interest based, and your faith? Because you're practicing Muslim, right? So, how is that acceptable?
Well, it's not acceptable in the sense that when you do it for a business, hmm,
Mhm.
definitely it's not acceptable. But
Okay.
ASA is a not for profit. We don't give any dividend to anybody. Hmm.
Mhm.
All benefits goes back to the benefit of the beneficiaries or the
Yeah.
people those are within the system.
Yeah.
However, we still maintain certain term that
Mhm.
uh, does not say that we are actually charging an interest. It's uh, we are charging a service charge for a product that we're giving. We are enabling a business, Nanai. In general, we are not
Mhm.
actually we are giving money to for you to enable a business,
Mhm.
not necessarily only money. We will
Yeah.
not give you money if you say that I don't want to do anything. I just need some money for my personal use. That's not accepted. That will
Mhm.
never be accepted.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Except BARM, all other program not certified, but I still believe in my heart, it is still in the philosophy of the Sharia Islamic finance.
Okay.
Mm. We are there for their business improvement, for the quality of life improvement, poverty
Mhm.
reductions. So those
Mhm.
things are actually for the goodness of human being,
Yeah.
right? Okay.
Yeah.
It's
Yeah.
not for the personal benefit of Kamrul or
That's where the difference lies. It's a not-for-profit organization. So ASA is a not-for-profit organization, and even though there are nuances, no, in terms of implementing it compared to Islamic finance, you still consider it as Sharia compliant because of this, and because primarily you take a look at the business transactions. So for this is for a non-profit organization. So what about if a for-profit organization would like to do Islamic finance? Is profit even acceptable there? And if so, how? And is there a limit for that?
well, if you are doing it for profit, a business, you should be doing it with 100% compliant. You should have your Sharia advisors, and they
Uh-huh.
should be looking into the program always, and should be giving you a certification.
Is there a limit on as to how much a for-profit organization should earn from this in terms of net income?
Sharia never said that how much money you will be making. Mhm. It describes only the conditions, uncertainty, and
Mm-hmm.
equitability among both borrower and the lender or the financer. And then how much you are charging, it should be stated at the beginning of the contract, and you should
Mm-hmm.
not be changing that contract.
Mm-hmm.
This is one of the reason ASA never charge any penalty to any of the clients.
Yeah, yeah,
Hmm?
yeah,
Because
yeah.
once you get additional money, it's already changing your the primary contract that you have instituted.
In terms of the profit, what you're saying is that there's no set say margin that's suggested for that one, but this should be agreed upon with the client. It should be transparent. You should tell the client how much you're going to earn from it. You said that we are in Islamic finance. It should be for business transactions, right? But how about if somebody gets a loan for the education of their children, or in some microfinance institutions they have emergency loans if somebody gets sick? How can this be applied in Islamic finance?
Yeah, let's talk about educational finances first.
Okay.
For educational finances, what is the reason a client will be taking? Tuition fee is one.
Mm-hmm.
Nanai, can you give us the receipt from the school? Oh
Mm-hmm.
yes, I can give you. So that again, so it is not actually money that you give. You give her
The education.
educational availment. When
Uh-huh.
she is submitting the official receipt of the school, it's there.
Uh-huh.
she will be buying books and supplies for the kid. Can you give those things to us? So those things will be part of the contract. There are 3 contracts. For example, first contract is becoming an agent, and then authority to purchase, and then making the list of what are the things she is going to purchase. So in the educational program, it would become my tuition fee this much, and I will show you a photocopy of my official receipt from the school, and I will be buying books and supplies for the kids, and this is the amount that I will be needing. And you see that it is actually equivalent to the money that you have given. That's you are already sufficiently compliant that you are actually enabling those goods and services, not actually the money.
Yes.
And you are making 15% profit on those goods and services.